Election day is behind us, but there's no final word on a number of races. Take the Georgia Senate race between Raphael Warnock and Herschel Walker, for example. Neither candidate got to 50% of the vote, so they'll face off again in a runoff in December. And that's just one way that states and communities decide elections when they're so close. WAT 6 on your side legal expert Greg Isaacs is here to talk a little bit more about the day after the election, if you will. So first of all, there's so many options, Greg, after the election when you see these tight races.
You really do. It comes down to recounts and runoffs, and the law is all over the place, Bo.
Yeah.
22 states have mandatory recounts, typically if the margin of victory is less than 1%. Most states 0.5%. Some states like Hawaii and Colorado, 0.25% would trigger an automatic recount. Tennessee is not a state that has an automatic recount. You can request one.
Right, okay.
Now listen to this,
right.
Our brilliant legislature, if there's a tie. So no one won. But
right, nobody won.
Yeah, obviously you would want to recount.
Right.
But we made that a law in Tennessee. Election fraud, you could get a recount if requested, and voter machine malfunction. But those are all recounts that you have to request within a certain amount of time. But, you know, even though we all went to the ballot box yesterday, the whole country is still counting.
Yeah, in certain states, that is for sure. And we just touched on what was happening in Georgia just a few moments ago. We'll have to see how that plays out again coming up next month. But can an election be decided by someone other than the voters? That's what a lot of people out there are now asking.
Well, not really. What happens is judges can order recounts. Secretaries of state can order recounts. That's the law in the state of Tennessee. They're discretionary. Election commissions can order recounts, but they can't come in and make a decision because, as Mark Twain said, facts are stubborn things, numbers are stubborn things, Bo. But Georgia is like Tennessee. It does not have an automatic recount, but I'll tell you what it does have. It requires a runoff if neither candidate gets more than 50% of the vote, and it looks like that's where Warnock and Herschel Walker are trending. So one remedy for an election is another election. So then we're asking the same question again if the margin of victory is not such. So in theory, it could go on and on and on.
I think we get the
Except
picture
in Tennessee,
there.
when you have a tie, then you get to do it all over.
All over. All right. Hey, Greg, we appreciate it as always.
Great to be here.
Have to see how these things play out in some of these other states.